Hello guys, it's my second video and as we did yesterday, we are trying to solve a lead code question. Without further ado, let's delve into another question. The question number is 27 and its title is remove element. Actually, I haven't read the question. Let's read together. Given an integer array norms and an integer val, remove all occurrence of val in norms in place. The order of the element may be changed. Then return the number of elements in norms which are not equal to val. Consider a number of elements in norms which are not equal to val bk. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array norm such that the first k elements of norms contain the elements which are not equals to val. The remaining element of norms are not important as well as the size of norms. Return k. Let's see the example. Input 3, 2, 2, 3, val 3. So we have to remove 2, right? Uh, as we did yesterday, we just have to remove the element, I guess. And that's all. We don't need to do anything extra. So let's run a loop. For int I equals to 0, we have to go from 0th index to the last index, which is given by norms dot size, and it's in each after each iteration we have to move one index up. And let's see, now what we have to do is uh, if norms I equals to the value present inside a val, then we have to remove norms I dot erase and norms dot begin clause I. And as we learned yesterday, if we remove an element from norms array, then its size will be decreased by I. So we have to decrease the iteration by 1, 2. After doing that, I guess that's all. And we have to return k, right? And what is k? K is the number of remaining element. Okay. Then we have, after this loop, we have to create a new variable named k, where k is equals to norms dot size, and we have to return k. Okay, so that's all. Right? Let's see. Case 1, case 2. Why am I not able to run the code? With the run button. Okay, because what did I do wrong here? Side dot erase is not a structure reunion. Norms I dot is oh I didn't that's my bad. Sorry. Mm, yeah, it's correct. Okay, and this is the best possible way as I thought. Now I will try to explain what I did there. Okay, I guess after explaining, and that's it for today video. So what I did there was, according to question, it gave us an array. Suppose this is our dummy array where the data is 1, 2, 2, and 1. Okay, and it also gave us a value inside of a variable named val. Suppose the value is 2, and what it is asking us to do is that wherever in the array, if we find the value which is same as the value present inside of val, then we have to remove that value. Okay, so we suppose we are given an array with 4 elements. and it has value 1, 2, 2, and 1, and the value we have to remove is 2. So what we have to do is we have to remove this and this. Okay, so we are going through a loop where the loop start from index 0, where the index 0 is this one, index 1 is this, index 2 is this, and index 3 is this. Okay, so each time we are iterating, we are checking whether the value present inside of val is equals to the value inside of the array norms in ith index, and if the value is equal, then we are erasing that value. Is in 0 index we have 1, so we don't remove that value, and in 1 index the value is 2, and we erase that value, and in index 2 the value is 2 again, and we erase the value, and in index 3 the value is 1, so we don't erase that value. Is our loop is checking whether the value present inside of val is same as the value in norms I index, and if it is that same value, then it is erasing the value. And what I did here is I the question is asking me to return the length of the array after all of the element which has to be removed is removed. Is after these elements are removed, then our resulting array will have only two elements consisting of 1 and 1, right? In 0 and 1 index. So if we uh, determine its size, then it only have two elements. So if we return k, then the answer will be correct, and that's what I did, and the answer was correct. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.